Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this beautiful 2021 GMC Yukon AT4. It has a 5.3 liter V8. You have these 20-inch AT4 wheels. Go inside here. This thing is loaded up with features. You have a panoramic sunroof, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 360 camera system, down here you have heated vented seats and all your climate controls, wireless charging, this thing has a load of safety features. I mean, you have parking sensors, lane keep assist, lane departure, collision alert, blind spot monitoring, loads of safety features. And this right here, this will pop up so you can just reach things in pretty easily. It is third row as well, seat 7. Click that. Hands-free tailgate, lift gate. You also have remote start. And there's not very much room in the Yukons because of the third row, but they are powered. And when you put them down, it gives you a whole lot of room. Well, it's stuck on the other seat. Now, front here you have black leather interior with this Kalahari insert and stitching, along with AT4 stitching on the headrests. Now, trust me, this thing will not last long. I've been getting calls about it before it even hit the lot. So call, text me, let's work some numbers, take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.